Welcome everybody. The purpose of this video is just an introduction to how I am going to be logistically administering early summer online thermodynamics, MECE 214. You probably received notification through Teams that the team has been launched and a class notebook has been created. I will be managing this course all through Teams. So I'm in the class team right now, as you can see on the video. First thing I want to do is get into the syllabus. So if you go under General Channel, click on Files, click on Class Material folder, you should see the syllabus. We'll bring up the syllabus, talk a little bit about how the class works in terms of the assignments. So first off, the book, you must have the 10th edition. You cannot have an earlier edition. You can have a hard copy, you can have a digital copy. I don't mind either one, but you will need the 10th edition because of the fact that I have a lot of homework assignments and the problem numbers are those associated with the 10th edition. The class will be, the grade will be split up into homework is worth 20%. So you have a lot of homework in this class. My guess is somewhere between 25 up to 35 hours a week of homework. All that homework together is worth about 20% of your grade. There are 2 exams during the course, during the 6 weeks. Each one is worth 25%, making 50% total for exams. And then there's a final exam that's worth 30%. Policies, obviously no cheating will be tolerated. If there is any sense of cheating, in other words, using homework solutions, using communication between people. I run this class with the assumption that you are following the honesty and integrity policy, and that means no communication with each other with exams. You can communicate with each other through homework, not submitting someone else's work with your name on it, and not sharing answers, and cheating. Any sort of using of submitting someone else's work on your behalf, that is called cheating, and I don't tolerate that. As far as homework is concerned, you will have 1 homework due a week. If you look at the schedule and readings, class starts June 2nd. Homework assignments are largely due on Saturdays by midnight, so 11:59 p.m. on that Saturday before the stroke of midnight. The assignment will time out, and your homework assignment will be due through OneNote. So here are the homework assignments. The first week is on chapters 1 through 3. Second week is on chapters 4 through 5. Third week is on chapter 6. Fourth week is on chapters 7 and 8. Fifth week is on chapter 10. Sixth week is on chapters 11 and 12. The 2 exam dates are given. Those exam dates are fixed and they are synchronous. Everything else is asynchronous. I have videos that you will be using to go over the course notes and lectures that I have recorded as screen capture over PowerPoint. So those are the exact same notes I use in class. And you'll be able to kind of follow through that. And then you'll have a homework assignment due. So you pace yourself on watching the videos when you want to take your own notes, and then doing the homework when you want. The homework due dates are set. So all of that is asynchronous. The only synchronous parts are these 3 exams: exam 1, exam 2, and the final exam. The exam times are given here, and they are fixed. So they are synchronous, and you need to occur during that time. So those are the times that are required for you all to show up at the same time to take those exams. Excuse me. So the way that I do homework is there's several problems. You are required to do all of the problems. I will grade 1 problem at random, which will constitute a total grade for that assignment. And then each assignment that is not completed, you will receive, you receive 20 points off per problem that's not completed. If you don't do the 1 problem that is graded, it will be a 0 for the whole assignment. All that is explained in the syllabus, which I do expect you guys to read. I'm sorry, it was 25 points off per problem not completed. Okay, so please read the syllabus thoroughly. It's important that you do that because all course policies are in there. Okay, now how is the class going to work? If you go to General Channel and you go up here, you can see there's on the toolbar there are fields here, Chapter 1 videos. You go here, and these are all the videos for Chapter 1. You click on it, and then it'll bring up my YouTube channel. And on my YouTube channel, I have lectures, which is screen record of my computer or when I'm lecturing on PowerPoint. If it doesn't load up, you can always copy and paste it or open it in the browser. I usually open up in the browser because the browser tends to work a little bit better.
What do they do? Air conditioning systems, if you think about it, people think they make cold. And that's one way of looking at it. But
so you can see that all the videos are there, chapters 2 all the way through 12. The actual notes that you'll be taking notes in is in PowerPoint, or sorry, OneNote. So you can see here in OneNote, you go under class notes and chapters 1 through 12 are there. I printed the notes to the OneNote page. There's also the file itself up here if you want it. So you can actually use your stylus and take notes in OneNote as you would like. If you prefer to print hard copy, you can also go back to general chat under file, class materials. The blank notes are here for you to download and you can print them out and do it hard copy if you would like. And then once you're done taking notes, if you want to actually see what my completed notes look like after the videos are done, right? So I have the videos at the end of the video, they're obviously all inked up. Well, all the completed notes are here too. So you have all the materials you need. Homework solutions are posted after the assignment due dates for you guys to be able to go back and to review. All the homework assignments are posted so you can start them whenever you want. Homework module 1 through 6, you can see that there are numerous problems per chapter. The weeks that you have exams, for example, week 3, you have an exam. The homework assignment is a bit lighter given the fact that you have an exam that week as well, right? Just like week 5, there's an exam, so the homework assignment that week is lighter, but the weeks where there is no exam, the homework assignments are a bit longer. Please make sure you complete the homework on your own. If you decide to, for example, want to use solutions that are already posted, because these solutions are easy to find. The solutions for this textbook are available. You can get them if you use them. If I catch you, obviously, I'm going to go ahead and submit that to the review committee on honesty and integrity. But even if somehow you're able to use them and have me not catch you, you are disadvantaging yourself from learning. I've been teaching this class for 20 years at this point, and people who have used solutions to complete homework assignments rarely do well because they're not learning. They're using the homework solution to kind of help them. If you need help, I'm available to help you. I don't have posted office hours, but you can always contact me through Teams. I like to use Teams as my mode of communication. Go to the chat, send me a message with your question or a request to meet, and I will do my best to set up a time within a very short response time to be able to get back to you for us to be able to meet live over Teams through a team call to be able to help maybe walk through some of the issues you're having. Okay. I want you guys to complete the homework assignments in OneNote. So use your stylus in OneNote to complete the homework assignments. If you are someone who likes to do things hard copy, that is okay. Do it hard copy, but then go ahead and scan in or take pictures of the work and insert those images into this OneNote page and then submit the assignment, okay? So again, either do it in OneNote, do the assignment in OneNote with your stylus, or if you prefer to do it hard copy, and then submit the work by taking pictures of it and inserting the pictures in order in OneNote. I think that's all I have for now in terms of how to get the course started. You can see all the assignments are here. They're already posted with the due dates. Make sure you complete the homework assignment prior to the due date because the homework assignment will no longer be available to you after the due date. Again, general channel, all the videos are up here for you to look at. If it doesn't, I would go ahead and just click on the bar up here and say open. There should be a link to be able to open it in a browser. I did it earlier. It's not coming back to me in a second, but you can open these links in browsers so that you can better look at the videos through there. Files, class notes, blank course notes are there, completed course notes are there. Homework solutions will be posted once the homework assignment is due. You also have class notes here for you to use as you wish. And then when we actually have exams, the exams will be posted as an assignment in OneNote, and you will take the exam in OneNote as well, again, using your stylus or doing it hard copy and then taking a picture and inserting it into OneNote. I think that's it for now. You guys are free to get started. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you very much.